Hello traders, welcome to After Trade. So in this video, I want to teach you the best profitable scalping strategies for beginner day traders. So if you're a beginner and been having lost back to back, then stick around to watch this video to the very end, because I'll be teaching you a very simple strategy where you will start making profits. This strategy is easy and unimaginable. That's what I have to say. So stick to the very end of this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, like this video, share these videos so that others will benefit. So without wasting more of your time, let's move straight to the main point. In this strategy, we just need only 2 indicators and you'll be set. And these indicators are completely free. They are totally free. So what you need now is to log into your trading view. As you can see right here, I'm on my trading view, and this strategy works on any time frame. Especially since it's scalping, especially the 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15-minute time frame. It's okay for you to use these time frames while trading, and you can use this strategy on any currency pair also. As you can see, currently we have USD JPY. Let's change it to, let's say for example, gold, or let's leave it here. Let's use this one. Let's use this for the strategy because it works on any currency pair. You can use this even on BTC, on crypto space. You can use this also. So now, like I said, we need just 2 indicators. So let's head over to our indicators right here. You come to indicator and let's type in our RSI. Or RSI, that is the relative strength index. So we click on add. So after adding the RSI indicator, we'll be adding our moving average. So we'll be adding the moving average exponential, this particular one here. So let's add the moving average exponential. So after adding these 2 indicators, we need to do some little editing, right? We need to do some little editing. Let me remove this. Remember, we only added EMA and RSI. Take note of this. So now we'll go to our RSI for some little settings. So once you get to your RSI, you come to the inputs. The length level will change it to 50. The style level in base. Then this RSI, you click on this box. You can change this the color of this RSI to any color of your choice. Let's say you want to choose blue. Now let's thicken the RSI. You click on this to thicken, to increase the thickness, right, so that it will be more bold and visible. So after doing that, we need to add the 50 MA. Click on this particular side, the 50 MA. Let's edit it. You can use any color so that the line will be more visible. Increase the visibility of the line, then increase the thickness of the line so that it will be more visible for you, right? So immediately you do that, you click on OK. This is all we have to do here on the RSI. This is the only settings we need to do. Very easy and simple. Now let's go to our EMA. Click on settings on EMA. You come to the input. On the input, we'll change this to 50. Right? We'll change this to 50. Then on the method, we'll change it to EMA. Once you change it to EMA, on the style, you can click on this EMA here and choose any color of your choice. You can leave it at blue. You can increase the thickness of the line, right? Just like this, so it will be more visible. You can see it. This strategy is super wonderful for beginners. It is very easy for beginners that have been losing trades back to back. This will help you a lot. Now, how do we trade this strategy? How do we trade this strategy? You can see now we are on 5 minute time frame. We are on 5 minute time frame. As a beginner trader, what you need to do is simple. Follow this rule and you will never lose your trade again. This accuracy of this is about like 80%. And any strategy that gives you 70 to 80% win rate is a strategy worth trying, right? You trade, let's say for a whole week, and you got like 70% win rate to 80% win rate. That strategy is good and it's simple because it is beginner friendly. In short, even some professionals still use this. Some professional traders still use this method as a confluence to add to their strategy. So now, how do you trade this simple strategy? What you do is that you will wait for your candlestick to close up, to cross the EMA, the 50 EMA line. This, you wait for it to cross above it and close above it. You see, once this candlestick closes, you can see we have this candlestick that closed above it. You will be entering for a long position just immediately after the candlestick close. And your stop loss, I don't want to make this video too long, so I will be very fast in it. Your stop loss should just be around this low, right? Your stop loss should just be around this low. And your TP, you can target probably 2 times your stop loss. You can use your ruler to measure your stop loss, for example, and calculate 2 times of this stop loss would be your TP, or 1.5 times will be your TP. Since we said we are just scalping, we're not staying long in the market, so we just need to quickly scalp and get out of the market, so you don't have to waste more time. So remember, another confluence you use in entry apart from this one is that this has crossed your 50 MA line on your RSI. You see, it has crossed this 50 MA and the market currently is rallying above the 50 MA. As long as it is above this 50 MA, then it is safe for you to enter for a buy, for a long position. But if this triggers that it crosses your 50 EMA and this is sitting below here, then you just don't enter the market, because there is higher chance that this market will bounce back. It might bounce back to this level and take you out, right? So always wait for it to meet your confluence before you take such trade, right? So now you can see here we have a sell entry here. We wait for this candlestick to close below our 50 MA. You can see, then we enter for this market. We enter a short position right after the close of the candle, right? I would say our stop loss would be here around this side. Let's make it this side, right? And our TP, we said, will be 2 times our stop loss, or 1.5 times the length. You see how this is working? And we said this must be below the 50 line, the 50 RSI band line. You can see it is already below it, right? You can see it is rallying below it. It is safe to enter this market. This strategy is super easy and I can go on and on for you. You can see how this strategy works super perfectly. You can see here you enter for a long position because we notice that it is also, you can put your stop loss just right here, and your TP we said will be 2 times your stop loss. You see, your TP will be 2 times or 1.5 your stop loss, and it makes our confluence here because it is above this 50 band and the market is rallying above it, right? So let's look for another opportunity. You can see here again, it crosses below the 50 MA and close below it, right? Now we check here, it is also below it, right? It is also below it. So this, we can say it is safe for us to enter the market, right? You enter for a short position just right after the close of the candle stick, and your stop loss can be just around the side, and your TP can be 2 times your stop loss. This strategy is super easy, and I thought I need to show my subscribers this simple strategy. This strategy is beginner friendly. Now let's see this trade that invalidates our, you can see here is invalid. Why I call this particular trade invalid? Here we have the cross here, but here it is not below it. This is still above, so you cannot enter this kind of trade. You ignore such crossover. It has to be two ways. Here must be below and here must be below. I hope you get this. On the buy side, here must be above and here must be above. Like I said, I don't want this video to be too long. Let me just take one more example, and you can go and try this on your demo account. Let me take one more example. This strategy is super everything. You can see what happened here. Here it crosses above. The crossover starts from this place. If you notice, it crosses above here, and let me mark it. The candlestick close above it, right? And we check here, it is already above it. Even though we have some consolidation around this area, but what happened eventually, this market still go to our favor, right? Your stop loss will just be around here. This stop loss is very tight, so the TP will not be too much, because we say our target will be 2 times our stop loss, so our TP will not be too much on this. But you can see how this trade, even though the trade took a kind of long time, but you can see that this trade worked out fine. I can go on and on and on and on, and you can see how perfect this strategy works fine. Kindly try this on your demo account. Try it, then drop a comment under this video to tell me your experience. If you have used this strategy before, also let me know on the comment section. Go and try this strategy on your demo account or your sent account, then come back and drop a review under this video, just to prove you that this strategy is really working. As a beginner trader, this is the best strategy for you to start cashing out on the market, on the forex or crypto market. This is a best strategy for you to start cashing out on the forex or crypto market. So try this. Like I said, share these videos with those that will benefit from it. Then like this video. This will encourage us to do more free videos. We have a Telegram channel. I'll drop the link in the description of this video and also on the comment section of this video for you to join, where we drop signals, free signals for trading and market insights. See you in our next video.